Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenPad 10 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here. So to pick a function we have to move to more advanced options, and now let's go to this button here in the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to just simply go to the other settings here and slide a little bit down to the MISC settings. As you can see here we have set volume key as option, so when we tap on this we can pick it and we can pick from zoom to shutter. So for example, let me pick shutter to show you how it works. And now let me try to use these volumes and see how it works now. And as you can see now I can easily take a picture by tapping on this. So this is how it works, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.